In this video, I'm showing you guys how to add your home address on your Google Maps on your mobile phone. Simple and easy. So what we are going to do is we just launch our Google Maps like this. We move to the U here at the bottom. Good. And you can see on top you can set your workplace and also your home address. Now let's tap on the home here. So by setting this up, when people want to visit us, we can just copy the link and share it to them. When they open it, they get my home address location. It's very simple. Yeah. So I can choose to enter my home address, or I can choose to use your current location. So when you tap on it, you turn on location on your device, and then they capture your current location and they use it as your home. Or you can choose it on the map. So I'm going to tap choose on the map. Yeah. So you can see this section here. I can slide to any place and choose it. This is not more precise, but then when you use the place I choose is where they've set as my home. You can see. Good. So now let me come back here, and now to edit it or to change it, you tap on the three dots here, and you, just like I said, you can share, you can copy the address and share it to people so they get the location anytime they're trying to see you. You tap on the edit here. Good. Since I choose, I'm going to set it myself, I'll still have the chance to change the location to a different location, and I just tap on the save. It's going to change. So that's it on how you set a home address on your Google Maps. So this is more simpler. So if you want to use your current location, I don't want to set it to my current location, you just tap on that, extract the data, you save it, and you're good to go. So that's it once again. Peace.